Okay, biscuits and gravy. Let's give this a try. Let's give it a try. Shall we? Let's give it a shot here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Now that's yummy. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. See, now the Southerners, see, they got it going on with biscuits and gravy. If you recall, my mother and I, while in LA, I ordered biscuits and gravy at that very, renowned restaurant out there. And although it looked beautiful, the presentation was gorgeous. Listen, I actually had to send that back. I mean, it was that bad. If you reflect back on that video, I mean, it was that bad. It was unedible. Whatever the hell that was in that plate that they served me, as pretty as it was, it went right back to the kitchen. It was disgusting. It was that bad. Oh God. Leave the gravy to the Southern people. Holy hell, this is good. This is gravy. There you go, people. This is what's happening here.